Hello, my name is Todd Reid, and I'm the owner of DKRentals.net, a residential property management company serving the metro area. We talked to a lot of property owners and found that there are three main services that they are looking for in a property manager. Hang on, and I'll share these with you. There are three service offerings that property owners are looking for when they hire a property manager: tenant procurement, property management, and repair management. Tenant procurement includes all the steps required to rent your house. Tenant procurement includes taking photos and videos of your property, placing a sign and lockbox at your house, and listing your house for rent. At DKRentals.net, we list your house on our website, DKRentals.net, which gets hundreds of hits per week. We also list your property on MLS. This is an important differentiator because many of our competitors do not list rentals in MLS because they don't want to have to pay a co-op fee to another agent. DKRentals.net is also syndicated with over 20 third-party websites such as Trulia, Zillow, Hotpads, and FreeRentalSite.com. After listing your property, we will show your home and process applications. Once an application is approved, DK Rentals will complete a move-in inspection, collect the security deposit, first month's rent, and do the lease signing. This completes the tenant procurement process. Typically, DK Rentals charges 75% of 1 month's rent for tenant procurement. The second component is property management. This task includes the day-to-day communication with tenant and owners. It also includes rent collection, following up when tenants are delinquent, and filing for eviction if tenants are seriously delinquent. We provide all our tenant with the tenant portal, which allows the tenant to pay their rent from the convenience of their smartphone. Tenants can pay using eChecks, debit cards, or credit cards. Typically, we charge $8 per month for our property management service. The last component is repair management. This might be the most important component of property management. The number one reason tenants do not renew their lease is maintenance related. Because of this, DKRentals.net provides world-class customer service to our tenants. The Maintenance Contact Center, or MCC, answers tenants' calls 24/7, 365. The MCC will create a work order, send a copy to you, the property owner, and forward it to one of our preferred contractors. DKRentals.net will work with a contractor to schedule an appointment with the tenant. After going to the house, the contractor will provide an estimate. DKRentals.net will get your approval before all non-emergency repairs over $300. Once the repair is completed, the contractor will send DKRentals.net an invoice, and DKRentals.net will pay the invoice out of your escrow account. All invoices, photos, inspections, and statements are scanned and pushed out to the cloud and made available to you 24/7 from the owner portal. At DKRentals.net, we are truly a paperless company. Right after this short break, we will discuss next steps, so hang on for a few seconds longer. Tenant procurement, property management, and repair management are all services that DKRentals.net excels in. If you are interested in learning more, go to our DKRentals.net homepage and complete our Contact Us form to schedule a one-to-one consultation where I'll answer any questions you might have. Or you could call me directly at 770-518-4470, extension 3.